Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about objective questions from part 1 and part 2 in properties of triangles. Okay, students. Now the question number 1. In a triangle ABC, the lengths of the two larger sides 10 and 9 units respectively. Here given that the larger sides are 10 and 9 units. The angles are in AB, then the length of the third side. My dear students, A comma B comma C are in AB. That means 2B equal to A plus C, 3B equal to A plus B plus C, 3B equal to 180 degrees. So students, B is the 60 degrees. So my dear students, B is the 60. Now students, we can observe here the larger side is 9 and 10. So here undoubtedly students, when we are taking here, this is the A, like the sides are small a, comma 9, comma 10. Here the small a is the least side. So dear students, we have to know that the small a is opposite to the capital A, 9 is the opposite of B and 10 is the opposite of C. So dear students, now we are taking here, this is A, B, C. So this is small a, this is 9, this is 10. So dear students, what we observed here, the least side is the small a. From the cosine rule, we have to know that angle B is the 60 degrees. So from the cosine rule, we know that, dear students, from the cosine rule, what is we know that B square equal to, dear students, the B square equal to C square plus A square minus 2CA cos B. This is what? 81. C square is 100. Plus A square minus 2CA, that is the students 2 into 20A cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2. This is the students A square minus of 10A, yes. This is the students 19 equal to 0. So here A square minus 10A, 100 minus 81 is the 19. Okay students, now we have to find the least side is the students A equal to minus B. What is the students? Minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. This is what students? Minus B is the 10 plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC. 4 into 9. That is the students 76 upon 2. So this is what? 10 plus or minus 100 minus 26 is the 24 by 2. So students, what is the least side is 10 plus or minus 4 6 is the, this is the students 2 root 6 upon 2. So students 5 plus or minus root over 6 is the value of small a. 5 plus or minus root of 6. Okay students, this is the first one. Write down. Now students, the second one. In a triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC is given that 2 cos A by A plus cos B by B plus 2 cos C by C, A by BC, B by CA. Then angle A equal to, what is the students? Then angle A equal to, is it clear? Now students, here what is given that 2 cos a upon a plus cos b by b, 2 cos c by c equal to a by bc. What is given that here students, a by bc plus b by ca. Now students, the first term and the last term is there, coefficient is the 2. That's why students, we have to take the common is 2 in that. So 2 is the common. At the same time, here the AC is the LCM. This is what student, C cos A plus A cos C. Yes. What is the middle term is there? Cos B by B. Okay students. Now in the right hand side is there A by BC plus B by CA. My dear students, this is what C cos A plus A cos C. This is the formula of small b upon AC plus cos B by B equal to is there, dear students, A by BC plus B by CA. So students, everybody know that this is sending to the other side. Cos B is the, what is the form? Cos B is the student C square plus A square minus B square by 2CA into B, 2ABC. Is it clear students? What is the cos B? C square plus A square minus B square by 2CA into B, 2ABC. So this is the students A by BC. Yes. This will be sending other side. AC is there, here also AC is there. B minus 2B is the minus B by AC. My dear students, what is the LCM is here? ABC. BC cancel. Yes. A into A square minus B into B square. This is the students, ABC cancel. Now students, this is C square plus A square minus B square equal to 2 into A square is 2A square minus 2B square. So my dear students, what is there here? Minus 2B square sending other side plus 2B square minus B square is the plus B square. Is there C square? 2A square minus A square is the A square. What we understand here? A square equal to B square plus C square. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. My dear students, everybody know that hypotenuse is the small a. That is, so student, this is small b. So here A square equal to B square plus C square means angle A equal to 90 degrees. Write down students, the angle A is the 90 degrees. Okay. Now student, another one, in a triangle ABC. The question number 3 students. In a triangle ABC, if sin A upon C sin B, after that sin B by small c, then sin C by small b equal to C by AB, B by AC, A by BC, then angle A equal to, here also find the angle A. So my dear students, right now we have to find the angle A. Then find angle A. So students, everybody know that sin A is the formula students, A by 2R. What is the students? A by 2R. So this is the students, sin B is the B by 2R. Is it clear? Now students, the sin B upon C, sin C upon B, C by AB, B by AC, yes, A by BC. Dear students, the two are cancelled. This is what? A by BC. So, my dear students, here we can written as sin B. So, taken as C is the students, 2R sin C. Here we can, just 1 minute students, the small c is the 2R sin C. Sin C by small b is the student from the sin rule 2R sin B. So students, what is it here? This is C by AB. So this is B by AC, A by BC. We are taking, dear students, we are substituting in the next step. C is the 2R sin C and B is the 2R sin B. So dear students, A by BC are cancelled. Here the first term is there, last term are same, A by BC. Now we can apply the sine rule, dear students. What is the sine rule? Suppose students, we are taking the sine rule. This is what? Sin B by 2R sin C. After that students, sin C by small b is the students 2R sin B. This is the students 2R sin C. Dear student, this is 4R square sin A into sin B. Dear students, the small b is the 2R sin B. This is the students 4R square sin A into sin C. My dear students, here this is what we observe students, the sin B by sin C. After that sin C by sin B, we are taking the common is the 1 by R, 1 by 2R. So students, here 2R by 4R square is the common. Yes, 2R by 4R square is the common. So that, dear students, and also we are taking the LCM is sin A, sin B, sin C. What is the students LCM? Sin A into sin B into sin C. A B terms are cancelled. This is the sin square C. This is what? The sin square B. Okay students, now what is there? 1 by 2R. Again, here we are taking the LCM is sin B into sin C. Dear students, sin into sin square B, sin square into sin square C, sin square C. This is 1 by 2R sin square C plus sin square B upon sin A into sin B into sin C. Dear students, these two are cancelled. Sin B, sin C are cancelled. This is a sin A equal to 1. So students, the sin of A is the value of sin 90 degrees. So students, A equal to, again we got 90 degrees. Okay students, write down. So in the first step, my dear students, A by 2R and B by 2R, the first and the last term are same, those are cancelled. After that students, we are taking C 2R sin C, B 2R sin B, we can apply the only sin rule. After simplification, again the sin A is the one is the sin 90, the angle A equal to 90 degrees. Write down students. Now student, the question number 4. The question number 4 is that in a triangle ABC, okay, if 2a equal to students root 3b plus c. Then the options are given that a square equal to b square plus c square, b square equal to c square plus a square, and b square equal to c square plus a square, and none of these. So dear students, these type models already we completed, students. How to take here? The a equal to, we can write simply root of 3 by 2b. This is what? 1 by 2c. My dear students, small a equal to, this is what? b cos c. Dear students, let cos c equal to root of 3 by 2. Cos c equal to root 3 by 2 is the 30 degrees. C equal to 30 degrees. Is it clear, students? Root 3 by 2 we are taking cos c. So students, see 1 by 2 we are taking cos b. Now students, b equal to 1 by 2. Cos b, 1 by 2 is the value of cos 60. B is the students 60 degrees. Dear students, this is what? Everybody know that b cos c plus c cos b is the projection rule. The given condition is satisfied. B cos c plus c cos b is, we know that, small a. Therefore students, b 60, c 30. Therefore undoubtedly students, when b 60, c 30, therefore a will be the 90. Sum of the angles in a triangle 180 degrees. So students, everybody know that when angle A is the 90, this is small a, this is small b, this is c. Now what is the condition, students? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. This is our required option, that is a square equal to b square plus c square. Write down, students. Now the one more question, student, question number 5. So these are integer type questions, students. So the first one, a regular polygon, sorry, a regular pentagon and a regular decagon. Pentagon and a decagon are given that have the same perimeter. What is the, students, is given that have same perimeter. Then the ratio there, what is the, students? Then the ratio of their areas. Dear students, then their areas, then the ratio of their areas, then the ratio, okay, of the areas. Okay, students, the ratio of the areas is in the case K1 is to K2. Okay, students, then the value of root 5 K1 by K2. Write down, students. So my dear students, the regular pentagon and a decagon, okay, are in the ratio K1 is to K2. So my dear students, what we observed here, regular means all sides are equal. So dear students, my observation is here. Suppose if you are taking the sides like this. So dear students, suppose the center will be the C. The center is the C. So dear students, this is the center. Now everybody know that the AB is the one of the side. The side subtend at the center is the 2 pi by n. So where n is the number of sides, 2 pi by the side, each side subtend an angle at the center of the polygon. Regular polygon is the 2 pi by n. So dear students, this total angle is the 2 pi by n. So students, this is pi by n. So the total side, suppose if you are taking the small a, this is what students, a by 2. Height, suppose we are taking the h. In general, this is bigger, this is smaller. Bigger inscribed circle, we are taking the smaller radius. Circumscribed circle, we can take in the bigger. Here this is the CA is the bigger, this is smaller. So but we have to take the smaller is nothing but h. Dear students, from the right angle triangle, what we observe the students, the tan of pi by n. My dear students, the tan pi by n is opposite side is the a by 2. Height is the h. Dear students, the h will be the a by 2. Just you can interchange a by 2 by tan pi by n. That is reciprocal of tan is the cot pi by n. This is what? Height. Now the area of the triangle ABC. What is the students? Area of the triangle ABC. Area of the triangle ABC. Dear students, of base. Base is the A. Height is the H. Dear students, the area of the regular pentagon. So dear students, first the area of the regular polygon. First you can write the regular polygon of n sides. Of n sides is, how to write the students? N times of area of the triangle ABC. What is the students? N times of the area of the triangle ABC. That is n into 1 by 2 into AH. That is what? N into 1 by 2 into A. What is the H is? H is the students A by 2 cot pi by n. This is what students? N into A square by 4 cot pi by n. This is the students the area of the polygon having the n sides, regular polygon. That is n into A square by 4 cot pi by n. So dear students, here what we take? The ratio of the pentagon, area of the pentagon and area of the decagon is given that K1 is to K2. What is the students? K1 is to K2. My dear students, we can written as K1 by K2. That is nothing but K1 is to K2. Dear students, the K1 by K2, first pentagon, it has 5 sides. That is 5 A square by 4 cot of pi by 5. Yes. Decagon, n into A square by 4 cot pi by 10. So these two are cancelled. Now 1 by 2 cot pi by 5 and cot pi by 18. This is the students 180 by 5 is the 36. Cos of 36 by sin 36. This is the cot 18. reciprocal of what? Tan. This is what, students? Sin 18 by cos 18. So students, 1 by 2 cos 36 root 5 plus 1 by 4. This is what? Root 5 minus 1 by 4. This is the sin 36 is the students 10 minus 2 root to 5 by 4. This is the students 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. So 4 4 just 16 is the cancel. 1 by 2 into a square minus b square is the 4. This is the students 100 minus 20. Yes, 4 5 is a square minus b square. 100 minus 20. So students, what we observe, this is 1 by 2. This is what? K1 by K2 equal to. So my dear students, 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar. So finally you can write as the students 4 by, this is 80. Now student, 4 1 jar, 4 20 jar. K1 by K2, dear students, this is K1 by K2 equal to what is the students? K1 by K2 is the, yes, 4 by 80, 420 the 4 5s are. That is the students 1 by 2 into root 5. So now we have to find the K1 by K2 is the students. So they are asking root 5 into K1 by K2 is the 2 only. So dear students, is there here what we observe, students? 1 minute. Here the cot 5 is the cos 36 by sin 36. This is sin 18 by cos 18. Now students, we can observe here the K1 by K2. The K1 by K2. K1 is the students. How can we write this is the student? K1 is 4. That equals to, yes, 1 by 2 into, this is the students 4 upon root of 80. Now students, we got K1 by K2 equal to, this is the students, just we can observe 1 by 2 into 16 5s are 4 root 5. Yes, this is also the root 5 into root of 5. Root 5 K1 by K2 equal to, we got 1 by 2. Okay students, this is what? 1 by 2. K1 is to K2 is the students. K1 is to K2 is the, what is the students? K1 by K2. K1 is to K2 is the, yes, 1 by 2. Okay. So students, is there here 2 root to 5? 1 minute students. The question is 2 root to 5 into K1 by K2. So students, undoubtedly, what is the value of the students here? Undoubtedly, this is 2 is sending to the other side. 2 root to 5 K1 by K2 equal to 1. Okay students, this is the value. So all of you please remember it. The area of the regular polygon of n sides is, undoubtedly this is n into a square by 4 cot pi by n. What is the students? N into a square by 4 cot of pi by n. So where n is for the pentagon, that is 5. For the decagon, n is the 10. Okay students, write down. Now students, another one. In a triangle ABC, if A minus B equal to 120 degrees and capital R is the eta, then 8 cos C. So in the previous question, student, they are asking the ratio of the pentagon, the area of the ratios, pentagon and decagon. So here we got root 5 k1 by k2 is the students 1 by 2. This will be sending other side. This is a 2 root 2 5 k1 by k2 equals to 1. Okay, students. Right now the a minus b is the 120 degrees and also the capital R equal to 8R. So we have to find 8 cos C. Dear students, the capital R is given that 8R. So student, the small r by capital R equal to 1 by 8. Okay students. Now students, we know that what is the formula of small r is? The small r is the students 4r sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2 upon r. This is the students 1 by 8. R will cancel. How to write student? This is 2 into. How to write this is? My dear students, 2 sin a by 2 into sin b by 2. Therefore, we can written as the students 1 by 16. My dear students, 2 sin a sin b. What is this? Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. What is the students? Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Dear students, 2 sin a sin b is the cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b into sin of c by 2, okay, equal to is there 1 by 16. So dear students, how to write this is? What we observed? The a by 2 minus b by 2, then you can divide it by 2. A by 2, b by 2, this is 60. Cos of 60. After that, we know that a plus b plus c is the 180 degrees. A plus b plus c 180. A by 2 plus b by 2 equal to 90 minus c by 2. Cos of 90 minus c by 2. What is the students? This is the cos of 90 minus c by 2 equal to sin c by 2 is there 1 by 16. My dear students, what is this? The cos of 60 1 by 2 cos 90 minus theta sin of c by 2. Dear students, the sin of c by 2 equal to 1 by 16. So after multiplication, student, this is a quadratic equation in sin c by 2. Just you can observe students, if sin c by 2 from the above, after simplification we are taking sin c by 2 is the 1 by 4. Is are satisfied or not? Substituting, my dear students, put sin c by 2 equal to 1 by 4. This is what students, LCM is the 4. So 2 2s are 2 minus 1. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, 1 by 16. R we are taking, dear students, sin square c by 2. Sin of c by 2 by 2 equal to 1 by 16. After you can find the quadratic equation in sin, then expand into the factors. Undoubtedly we got sin c by 2 equal to 1 by 4. Dear students, now squaring on both sides. Sin square c by 2 equal to 1 by 16. What is the student, the formula of sin square c by 2? So we want 8 cos c. That means 1 minus cos c by 2. Sin square c by 2 is the 1 minus cos c by 2 equal to 1 by 16. Dear students, this implies 1 minus of cos c. This is what? 1 by 8. 1 minus cos c is the 1 by 8. So students, the cos c equal to 1 minus 1 by 8. Cos c is the students 7 by 8. What is the students? The cos c is the 7 by 8. Is it clear? So just we take the small r by capital R. Everybody know that the small r is 4r sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. This is the 2 sin A sin B. What is the form of 2 sin A sin B? Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. A by 2 minus B by 2 is the 60. A by 2 plus B by 2 in a triangle ABC 90 minus C by 2. So after quadratic equation we got sin C by 2 equal to 1 by 4. Okay students, write down. Now students, the another question. So students, the another one, if R1, R2, R3 upon small r minus of R1, R2, R2, R3, R3, R1 equal to K, then the value of 2020 K square, 2020 K plus 3. Okay students, where R1, R2, R3, R is the radius, R1, R2, R3 are the x radii. So dear students, first we are taking R into R1, R2, R3 by R square. We are taking into R by R into R square. So this is what students? S square. Everybody know that, my dear students, in the previous class we discussed about R1, R2, R2, R3, R3, R1. R1 delta by S minus A, R2 delta by S minus B, R2 delta by S minus B, R3 delta by S minus C. Here also delta by S minus C, delta by S minus A. Delta square is the common. LCM is the S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. In the numerator, dear students, 3S minus 2S is the S into delta square. Upon is there S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. When you are taking into S and by S, undoubtedly the denominator is the delta square, numerator is only S square is the remaining. So dear student, what is this? Delta square. Everybody know that R into R1 into R2 into R3 is the delta square upon R square. So that is a K. My dear students, this is also we can written as delta by R whole square minus S square equal to K. This is what students? Delta by R is the S. That is S square minus S square. That is the students 0. What is the students? S square minus S square is the 0. So this is S square minus S square is the 0. Okay students? So now we have to find what is the students? K value we got 0. Therefore we got 2020 K square. 2020K plus 3. This is the students 0 minus 0 plus 3. The integer value is the 3. Write down students. Now the another one. R1, R2, R3. Ascribe circles of a triangle ABC are in harmonic progression. So R1, R2, R3 are the radii of the x circles. So dear students, the next question, R1, R2, R3 are in harmonic progression, and given that area of the triangle is given that 24, and the perimeter, my dear students, perimeter is given that also 24. So what? The smaller side the smaller side. So dear students, now we have to find the smallest side. So what is given that R1 comma R2 comma R3 are in HV. We know that dear students, R1, R2, R3 are in harmonic progression. So student, this is 2 by R2, 2 by R2 equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R3. R1 is the delta by S minus A, R2 is the delta by S minus B, R3 is the delta by S minus C. This is what students? 2 into S minus A by delta, S minus B. Delta by S minus A, this is S minus A by delta, this is S minus C by delta. Here the delta is the LCM. So what student this is? 2S minus 2B. This is S plus S. 2S minus A minus C. 2S cancel. So students, 2B equal to A plus C. Therefore, A, B, C are in AB. The sides are in the AB. So what students? A, B, C are in the AB. The smallest side is the undoubtedly the small a or small c. So, and one more information is the perimeter. What is the students? Perimeter is given that 24. This is what? A plus B plus C, 24. Dear students, the A plus C is the students 2B. 2B equal to 24. 3B equal to 24. B is the students 8. B is the 8. So students, when you got these 8, undoubtedly 2B equal to A plus C is there. This is 16. A plus C. So students, C is the 16 minus A. The sides of the triangle are, what are the sides? The sides are A comma B comma C. That is A. B is, what is the B? B we got, what is the students? B is 8. What is the C student? 16 minus A. What is the C is? 16 minus A. This is the 16 minus A. So students, delta, area of the triangle also given that 24. What is the students? Area is also 24. So now we can written as delta square equal to, dear students, 24 into 24. Delta square is the S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is the delta square. That is what? 24 into 24. My dear students, what is the S? 2S is the 24. S is the 12. After that, 12 minus A. After that, students, 12 minus 8. S is the 12. 12 minus B. 12 minus 8. That is a 4. S minus C. Dear students, S is the 12 minus C minus 16 plus A equal to 24 into 24. This is what students? 12 1 jar, 12 2 jar. After that, 4 1 jar, 4 6 jar. So this is the students, 12 minus is the common, A minus 12. This is the students, A minus 4 equal to 2 6 jar 12. So these are all sending to the other side. Minus is the plus. A into A square, minus 12A minus 4A minus 16A. This is what students? 12 4 jar 48. 48 plus 12. This is 60. Dear students, A minus 6, A minus 10. So if A is 6, what is the students? If A is 6, when if A is 6, the sides are 6, 8, 16 minus 6, 10. So the least side, the smaller side is the students the answer. So the smaller side is the 6. Is it clear, students? The smallest side is the 6. Write down. Now students, the another question is quite simple, very easiest one. In a triangle ABC, small a equal to 2b and the modulus of a minus b, equal to pi by 3. Then angle C. So students, it is one of the very easiest one. So we know that, my dear students, what is the form? Tangent rule. Tan of a minus b by 2 is the form, students. The tan of a minus b by 2. What is the tan of a minus b by 2 is? A minus b by a plus b into cot of c by 2. This is tan 60 by 2, 30. A is the 2b minus b, 2b plus b, 3b into cot of c by 2. Dear students, so here the tan 30, 1 by root 3 equal to 1 by 3 cot of c by 2. Dear students, we got here the cot of c by 2 equal to root 3. Therefore, tan of c by 2, 1 by root 3. So students, the tan of c by 2, tan 30 degrees. Remove on both sides tan. C by 2 equal to 30, C equal to 60 degrees. Write down, students. C equal to 60 degrees. Now students, the another question. Two y by 5z, 2z by 5x. After that, 2z by 5x, 2x by 5y. After that, students, 2x by 5y, 2y by 5z are the sides. Are the sides of the triangle. Okay, students. Then it's the area. The area of the triangle. Then the area of the triangle. So students, here what we observe, students, the area of the triangle. So here we are taking the x, y, z values are 1. It will be easy to find the area. So what we observe, students, the sides are very difficult, students, very clumsy. Therefore, if you are taking sum, let x equal to y equal to z. So what is the, students? Let x equal to y equal to z, that will be 1. Undoubtedly, students, the each side is 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5. This is the equilateral triangle. So area of the equilateral triangle, root of 3 by 4 a square. My dear students, root to 3 by 4, a square is the, students, 16 by 25. Now students, this is 4 into root 3 by 25. This is our answer. Now we can verify the each options. The option 1 is the students is there. Verify the option. Option 1 is there. 4 by 25 under root of x by y and y by z and z by x. My dear students, in the objective point of view, sometimes we are taking the suitable substitutions for the sides. It will be very easy to find the calculation. Suppose if you are taking the small a and small b and small c, then we are taking a plus b plus c, that is nothing but 2s. Then you can take by the area of the triangle, you are taking the given formula, root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Undoubtedly students, it will be very difficult. So in the objective point of view, we have to take some suitable value for the x for the easiest simplification. That's why we are taking x is y and z 1. That is the 4 by 5, 4 by 5. Now we have to know that the area of the equilateral triangle having the side A is root 3 by 4 s square, 16 by 25. Now students, again we are substituting x, y, z is 1. Undoubtedly students, this is also, what is the students? 4 root 3 by 25. So verify. Okay students, write down. Okay students, this is today. Okay, so we will discuss the remaining models in the next class. Okay, thank you all. Clarity బాగుందా?